Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kinongket kam ka Voice of the People Party mentha kasingi ka khatkhandai tarik ujamang kilami no na Jingïalang ki sengsan Hima sima lani kata ka all party meeting ka balapan long do menteri rangba ukandit ki sangma ka jingni no kini kinongket kam ka de namar ka jingbam hun ni ka Ïakren namar hapo ka Jingïalang lakran tang Halor ka roster system balakan tat no ya kamat ban Ïakren Halor ka reservation policy habakran bikilat pathai khubor Halor ka reservation policy nakliang unong aiktin ka VPP Dr. Batskam Merbo loong baya ka baha thong kam de ka ba kentop lang ya ka jingbun pa jong ki riu lum hnrai haban shim ya ka jingbun pa ka ba shimet
yo ko ja ko ja ki wai ka jila ba kan nga propho ko poi
sanpho je kai ka latest ruling jong Supreme Court nak sanpho ka ki shikan ro then this is manong if ka wai ka reservation hangni ha pi pe reservation ha ki centrally funded central institutes Yaki scheduled tribes ka yard is 7.5% throughout India. Haki scheduled areas ka yard katkum ka reservation chong katu ka university bakti so through ka scheduled tribe areas. Te kile ka through ka near ka scheduled tribe areas kamdei bagarne ka 80% kan poisha court kala poisha court ka no proceed tang ba ka court kamlei this is subject of the government hadu mentang kampat lei ka court bangin ong mangi bakan le wow just Tiga long ba pinpay na 1971. 1971 hangtu yung ba ka resolution ka bakran yung ba in basic population. But kaway long ba ki ko ka reservation kam dei ka combined ST. Tingamla ba ko banshim ya combined ST population. Ni hapshim hi ya ke individual ST population. Ka individual ST population how 1971 ki khasi kilo sub percent. Ki karo la shur round around up to 32%. Like you na 32%. They have 2011 ka population jo khasi gre 47%, ka population jo garo gre 32%. Tena ka ta laban so ka population structure come reflect ka reservation policy ka ba ka 1972 resolution ka ong ba it is based on the population. Based the roster on the I would say that the unjust reservation policy. So ultimately, that roster system is unjust roster. Why? Because it is based on the unjust policy, and therefore, unless and until you correct the policy based on the population structure, it is pointless to talk about the roster system.
But we have seen it is a clear message from the government that it has no interest to discuss the reservation policy or neither to review the policy.
I don't have the time to see what he speaks to the media. I'm not so much into the media. We come here as per that letter.
Ini one bankan the reservation. Nomor yang nampak bankan ya roster atau bankan reservation. How can we speak about the roster system if reservation is not being discussed? So that is what we've been insisting upon the government. And so, unless the government talks about the reservation, I think there's no point talking about the roster system. Well, there's no point, discussing about the roster system because, it's like putting the cart before the horse. So, unless you talk about the reservation policy, roster system, discussing and spending time in the roster system, for us as a party, we feel it's just a waste of time.
That can be implemented. That can be implemented easily by the different departments. They don't need to call us this meeting. It is not so complicated. It's not rocket science to understand the roster system. So for us, we come to this meeting simply because we have been invited to come. They put in the subject of the letter as reservation roster. So we thought that the twin issues will be discussed. But when in the meeting, we asked whether, why the OM of 2022 does not speak about the population structure, which the 1972 resolution clearly stated that the principle of reservation is the population also. But here, the OM of 2022 speaks nothing about the population structure. And therefore, we feel that it is pointless to have a discussion on the roster system, which is, I would say, a very simple matter which can be understood by anyone without coming to this meeting. Bom hun mi, namar ba kamlong hi kum ka subject jong ki reservation roster ban Ïakren
Kim Kren Yak
Kim Kren Yak reservation ki Ïakren.